Micro E-mini S&P 500 MES, volatility moderate, liquidity extremely high, margin requirement low around $50 to $150 intraday, trading hours 23 hours a day, news sensitivity medium, best for consistent swing and intraday strategies. Why it's safe: broad market exposure, diversified index, less wild than NASDAQ, there are plenty of setups every day. Pro tip for precision scalps: stick to key levels from the daily chart plus VWAP on the 5-minute. Rank contract safety notes. 1. MES S&P 500, most stable and diversified. 2. MGC, micro gold, good for macro plays. 3. MNQ, NASDAQ, fast and aggressive. 4. CL, crude oil, only for skilled traders. 5. LEH, cattle hogs, thin, gappy, unpredictable. Here's a cheat sheet on how to trade the Micro E-mini S&P 500 MES, like a seasoned futures pro with 30 years under the belt. This isn't just the theory, it's the experience of real-world market scars and wins. Micro E-mini S&P 500 MES, trading cheat sheet, ticker MS, contract size $5 times S&P 500 index, tick size 0.25 points equals $1.25, margin approximately $500 intraday, varies by broker. Trading hours 23/5 p.m. to 4 p.m. CST, Sunday to Friday. Prep work before you trade. 1. Know the instrument. Highly liquid. This is related to the entire ES contract, ideal for small accounts, scalping, swing trading, or strategy testing. Alright, let's talk about key times to trade. So, the best times are from 8:30 in the morning to 10:30 in the morning Eastern Time, when you get the best volatility, and then from 2 to 4 in the afternoon Eastern Time, which is often referred to as the power hour, or when end-of-day reversals happen. You should probably avoid the low volatility lunch hours, unless you're into range scalping. Now let's dive into strategy components. First, frameworks to anchor you. Start with a top-down analysis beginning with daily and weekly trends. Then zoom into 15-minute, 5-minute, and even 1-minute charts for your entries. Use EMA 9 and 21 or VWAP intraday to determine directions. Next up, support and resistance levels. These are derived from pre-market highs and lows, as well as the previous day's highs, lows, and close. Trade setups that work. First, the opening range breakout, or ORB. Mark the high and low from the first 5 to 15 minutes. Breakout equals entry. Use a tight stop just inside the range. This works best with high volume. Second, VWAP reversion. Fade overextensions from VWAP on choppy days. Confirm with RSI divergence or order flow weakness. Pullback in trend. Wait for the price to return to the EMA 9 or EMA 21. Look for a hammer or an engulfing candle at that zone. Confirmation comes with a momentum candle and a volume spike. Trader's Edge Pro Habits. Risk management. 1 MS tick equals $1.25. Use this to scale risk precisely. Risk per trade, max 1 to 2% of your account. A typical stop is 4 to 8 points, which equals $20 to $40 per contract. Position sizing. If your account is under $5,000, trade 1 to 2 contracts max, and scale in and out around support and resistance zones. Psychology tips. Predefine your stops and targets, never widen your stops, and take breaks after 2 consecutive losses. Daily routine of a winner. Pre-market 8 to 8:30 a.m. Eastern Time, check news, CPI, NFP, FOMC, and other important updates. Mark support and resistance levels, gaps, and the overnight range. Trading session. Focus on 1 to 2 high-probability setups. Let the price come to your level. Post-market review, screenshot winners and losers. Note emotional state, slippage, and discipline. Tools to use: TradingView, NinjaTrader, Sierra Chart, DOM and time and sales for scalping, news feeds, Zero Hedge, Bloomberg, Financial Juice, journaling, TraderView, Notion or Excel. Common mistakes to avoid: overtrading, revenge trades equal death spiral, ignoring news events, trading without stop loss, thinking MES equals training wheels, treat it like the real deal. Final wisdom: discipline greater than strategy, consistency greater than size, patience equals profits. The goal isn't to win every trade, it's to stay in the game. MES trade example, step-by-step breakdown. Context: let's say it's a Tuesday, a non-news day. The market has been in an uptrend for a week, and the price gapped slightly up in the pre-market. Pre-market prep, 8 to 9:30 a.m. Eastern Time. Chart 15-minute, 5-minute, 1-minute plus VWAP and EMA, 9 and 21. Bias, bullish macro and short-term uptrend, overnight high ONH 5,282. Pre-market low 5,271, previous day close 5,274. Levels marked: resistance at 5,285, a multi-day high, support at 5,265, yesterday's low area. Plan: look to buy pullbacks above VWAP if the price holds above the overnight high and breaks pre-market consolidation. Market open, 9:30 a.m. Eastern Time, first 5-minute candle, a wide range bar up to 5,284 with substantial volume. Following 5 minutes, small doji holding the gains. Setup forming opening range breakout plus trend continuation. Trade setup trigger, 9:40 a.m. Eastern Time. On the 1-minute chart, price consolidates just under 5285 resistance zone. Forms a bull flag. Minor tight pullback to EMA 9, VWAP is sloping upward below. Entry idea: buy breakout of the bull flag at 5,285.25. Stop loss at 5,281.75, below flag low and VWAP. Target 15,290, first R. Target 25,297 measured move. Trade execution: order placed, buy 1 MES at 5285.25, stop 5281.75, risk equals 3.5 points equals $17.50. Target 152.90 equals plus 4.75 points equals $23.75. Reward to risk equals 1.3 to 1, target 1 3 to 1, target 2. Price action plays out. 52.85 breaks with a strong green candle. Taps 52.89.50, partial profit taken, pulls back to 52.86.50, higher low, pushes again to 52.94, complete take profit hit. Total gain about $35.25 on one contract. Time and trade, 20 minutes. Trade review after market: what went well, entered on confirmed breakout. Risk managed, didn't panic during pullback. Improvement: I could have added size at 52.86 higher low with a tight stop. Slightly late on the first entry, next time set limit order. Chart pattern summary used. Pattern description: roll in trade, bull flag, small consolidation and uptrend entry trigger. Opening range breakout, price broke early range, trade context. VWAP bounce, price respected VWAP, confidence boost. Higher low, confirmation after first push.